Hey everyone! Today we are talking about how eating enough alpha-linolenic acid helps protect your brain against dementia. Alpha-linolenic acid is a specific type of omega-3 fatty acid found in plants. You will find this nutrient in walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Researchers at the University of Tsukuba in Japan investigated this connection and published their work in the journal Clinical Nutrition. The study analyzed data from over 7,000 Japanese people between the ages of 40 and 74. Scientists looked at the amount of omega-3 fatty acids present in the blood of these participants during the 1980s and 1990s. They tracked these individuals for a decade to see who developed dementia and who remained healthy. The researchers found no link between the levels of other fatty acids called DHA and EPA and the risk of developing dementia. However, the amount of alpha-linolenic acid in the blood showed a clear correlation with brain health. Participants with low levels of this acid developed dementia almost twice as often as those with higher levels. The study indicates that increasing your intake of alpha-linolenic acid lowers your risk of dementia up to a certain point. Consuming an exceptionally high amount of this acid does not provide extra protection, and the data shows protective effects decrease at very high intake levels. You should aim for a sufficient amount rather than trying to consume as much as possible. The European Food Safety Authority states that adults need about 2 grams of alpha-linolenic acid every day. Eating just 1 tablespoon of chia seeds provides the full recommended daily amount of this essential fatty acid. Other good sources include flaxseed oil, hemp oil, and rapeseed oil. Maintaining proper levels of alpha-linolenic acid is a definitive strategy to reduce the likelihood of developing disabling dementia. You do not need high levels of marine omega-3s like DHA or EPA to see this benefit. Simply including plant-based sources of this essential fat in your diet supports long-term brain health. Thanks for watching. See you next time.